Good luck with that.
All right, guys, get ready to.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game on! Game on! Game on!
Go, go, go!
Yeah.
Who's the ambassador? Who's that guy?
Oh.
2, 3, go, go, go! Go, go, go! Go, go!
What should we do?
Yeah! Play Airsoft! Woo! We lost.
I like Airsoft because it's realistic guns, and I'm into guns, and it makes me feel like I can play Army. And it's fun. It's fun.
I like how the mechanics of Airsoft gun. I like shooting people.
What I like about Airsoft, you get to express your anger and it's legal too.
Yeah, what I like about it is I get to shoot my friends.
I love the guns.
I like the part where I can get my anger out shooting other people legally, and it's just fun.
Mental intensity.
This.
I like working on the guns. What? Oh, what I like most about Airsoft? Completely humiliating my opponent. It's the most glorious thing in the world. And Team Fury rules.